hook up our PC to a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and let's go ahead and install the Windows 11 on there. So we have our keyboard here, we have the mouse, our system is working. You could feel the fan of the CPU here working pretty good. The PSU only turns on when the system gets hot. Really good because it's not very loud. And as you could see, the CPU is not loud at all, which is really good. So first time around, you're gonna see the BIOS right here. So you're gonna press the on button and you're gonna press delete right away as soon as you see the front screen, so that you can go to this page. So then what we're looking at here is the temperature of our CPU and the motherboard right here. So you could see everything is pretty stable, pretty cool.